Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a clay review of this one. This is the Malaysia Clay Art clay. So they basically sent me this box of clay, which is I think set E, which contain 24 colors and 20 gram each packet. So I'll be doing a clay review and also a clay tutorial on this one. Malaysia Clay Art is an online store where you can buy polymer clay, air-dry clay, crafting and accessory supplies. They offer great prices and they ship worldwide. So I will leave the link below and the box of clay they sent me, and their contact, like probably Instagram, I will leave it below also. So here's everything in the box. They have the invoice. This is their business card, and this is the new design, I think. So yeah. So they have the color blending chart and also the clay storage and tips on the business card. So in this box they include three tools. So this is like the perfect one for the beginner, so they can use it. So they have the indent tool, a dotting tool, and also sort of tool, I don't know. And I also have this kind of mold, but normally this kind of mold I don't really use. It's like a fruit mold, but you still can keep it or you want to give it to your friend. So in the box they have 24 colors. So normally I don't like to buy this kind box one, the set. I would choose to buy separately. So they do sell separately the color online on their website. I normally would, like, if I want a black color, right, so I will go to the website and I will buy the 2 ringgit, like 20 gram per packet. But the size is as big as my palm, so it would be really nice, and it's not that small. So this is the color of blue, and I'm just gonna show you the texture. So it's a bit wet, a bit moisture and silky and like soft, so it's very easy to work with. That's one of the reasons why I choose over an air-dry clay instead of polymer clay. So this is overall all the color that we have in the box. So now I'll be doing a cupcake tutorial featuring the clay they sent me. Here are the materials that we need. I will put a list in the description box below so you can check it out. So here are the dark brown clay, light brown, the black and the white color clay. And here is the jam, the chalk pastel, acrylic paint. This is the yellow ochre. And here are the tools. We'll be needing a brush, a dotting tool, measuring spoon, a toothbrush for the texturing, and a pen knife. Yeah, so here is the mold that we'll be using. It's a cupcake base mold, and also the flattener. So you take your dark brown color clay, you're gonna take a few pinch of it, so just gonna agar, and then I'm gonna roll it into a bowl and I'm gonna press it inside the mold. So now we take the white color clay and we're gonna put it inside our measuring spoon, which is the 2.5 ml, and we're gonna color our clay into the light yellow ochre color. You're gonna roll it into a bowl using your hand or your flattener, and then we're gonna flatten it into a dome shape before we place it on the base. Give some texture to your clay using the toothbrush before you place it on the base. So now you're just gonna simply place it in the middle. For the shading, we're gonna take the yellow ochre chalk pastel and the brush, and we're just gonna simply put it on the top part, the middle there, just a little bit, it's enough. So we're just gonna spread it like that. For the eye indent, we take the dotting tool. We're gonna put 2 indent right here, not too far from each other. And now we're gonna take the black color clay and we're gonna roll it into a thin strip, quite thin, and then we're gonna cut it using the pen knife into 2 small equal size balls to make the eyeball. And then we're gonna use our dotting tool to put inside the indent, and then we're gonna push it to flatten it. So now we're gonna make the coffee bean. So for the coffee bean, we're gonna take the light brown color clay, oh my god, and we're gonna roll it into not that thin like this one, and we're gonna cut it like 2 part is the same. size. I'm gonna roll it into a bowl, and I'm gonna roll it into a cylinder like this. No, that's too long. A bit like, yeah, like that. And then I'm gonna press it with our flattener, and then we're gonna make, so very precious. So we can take our pen knife. We're gonna make a indent, a long indent, to make it look like a coffee bean in the middle like this. Okay, so now it's dry, the cupcake. And for the blush right here, I have changed the clay to the glass pane, the one that I introduced in the beginning, the red color one. And also the coffee bean has dried, so I'm now just gonna take the brown color chocolate glass pane. So we're gonna spread it on top to make it like a syrup, and I'm gonna apply our coffee bean. You can place a coffee bean like how do you want to place it. It's like up to you. So I'm just gonna put it like this, like up layer one of it. So that's it for today, Malaysia Clay Art air dry clay review and clay tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.